Hi everyone, welcome to your first Java programming class with me. I'm really excited to have you all here today. We are going to embark on an exciting journey into the world of programming. And we'll be doing it with one of the most popular and powerful programming languages out there, which is called Java. Think of Java as a magical tool that can help you create all sorts of things, from simple programs that print messages on your screen, complex systems like mobile apps, video games, and even controlling robots. Yes, Java is that versatile. If Java was an Avengers character, I think it would be Thor. Did you know that the Java is used by companies like Google, Amazon, and Netflix to build their apps? Learning Java could open up a world of opportunities for you, whether you want to develop apps, work with big data, or create amazing games. Java is known for its write once, run anywhere capability, meaning you can write your Java code on one platform and run it on almost any other platform without modification. Good, right? Before starting our first project, let's install the Java. So the first step is to install the Java. It's very easy. You come here and search JDK Oracle. The first website is here. As you can see, we have different versions for different operating systems, Linux, Mac, and Windows. You just download according to your operating system. For me, it is Windows. After downloading, the installation is very easy. You just do the default settings. You don't have to change anything during the installation. Just there is one small configuration that you have to do. That is, you have to go to Advanced System Settings. As you can see, we have environment variables. It's selected here and you come to edit. Sorry, you have to add take path and edit. As you can see, I have already added my path of Java JDK file here, and you can do it easily. You just have to go to where you have installed the Java. It is probably in the C program files, Java, JDK, uh, bin. You have to take the bin folder. This is the path. You just copy it and you come here and add it in the path here, which is very easy. After that, you are ready to go. There are different IDEA softwares that you can use to run the Java code. I recommend you to use the IntelliJ IDEA because it is very user friendly and easy to use. I have already installed that here. Um, After opening this, you have to go to here and make a new project. Let's name it my first project, and you don't have to change anything here. It is a location of the project, and we have build systems, IntelliJ, Maven, Gradle, which they use different compiling systems and dependency. You don't have to worry about them. You will know about them in more uh, as you get more experience. You know when to use which one of these. For now, you don't have to worry about them. You just create a new window. Okay. As you can see, we have already have some code written here for us. So let's talk about them. Let's close the earlier one. Okay, as you can see, we have here a class. What is class? Class is, we can say, class is like a house we live in it, and the main is like uh, the guest room. And they belong to each other. They cannot be without each other. And this is very important to remember. And we ran the code inside the main. Okay, you may have methods written outside the main, but you have to probably use them for running inside the main. So main is the part that you run the code, you execute the code. It's very important to know. Um, so um, for the first project, it is very easy. It is just printing something. It can be a word, a letter, a sentence, whatever you want. Uh, we write system dot out dot print line inside the parentheses. We use double quotation and we write hello world. And for ending it, we use semicolon. It is done. Very easy. And you can run it also from here. And also from here, as you can see in the terminal, we have the sentence hello world. It is printed. Very easy. You did a great job. It was the first project. In the next videos, we will talk about more about variables, about typecasting, about methods. So, see you in the next videos.